Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to find all the friends you've removed on Facebook using your PC. This feature allows you to view a list of people you unfriended and even see when they were removed. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Facebook by typing facebook.com into the address bar. Log in with your account credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're on Facebook, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Activity Log. This is where all your Facebook activity is organized. Inside the activity log, look for the Connections section on the left-hand side. Click on it to expand the menu options. Now under Connections, you'll see an option labeled Friends. Click on it, and within this section you'll find a specific category called Removed Friends. Select this option. Here, you'll see a complete list of all the friends you've removed from your Facebook account. The list is displayed in chronological order, showing the exact date each friend was unfriended. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your removed friends list on Facebook using your PC. Whether you're curious about past connections or considering reconnecting with someone, this feature makes it easy to review your history. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it. Thank you for watching, and happy exploring.